Oh, that's nice. Well, hello everybody, good morning and welcome back to the channel. You're in my neighborhood as we speak, and you're coming along with me for a little bit of a run for essential supplies. Something that inexplicably and very dangerously Mrs. Noob has neglected to replenish in the household, and it's getting to a dangerously low level, and we're having to resort to desperate measures to cope without it. So it falls to me to go and resolve the situation, and as a caveman, I'm on a hunting mission to go and find the supplies. So come along with me and I'll show you what I need, and I will show you my quarry if I manage to survive the traffic. That was an interesting way of going around a mini roundabout, isn't it? The wrong way. Bit of aggro. It's a bit early in the morning for that sort of stuff, isn't it? Pay by phone, pay a machine, display ticket. I don't want to pay. Alright, let's go. Lots of lovely produce. That's the stuff. Believe you me guys, this stuff is absolutely essential. It's hard to survive without it. I think I'm guaranteed these as part of my human rights. The right to happiness comes from these. When you're Indian food, the Mrs. Noob cooks. My mouth is salivating already. I think hunting mission successful. We got our quarry, we knew the hunting ground, we came prepared, we identified what was needed, and we're done. No browsing around, no gathering, no backing about, straight to the point. Mission accomplished. This is what I enjoy about my neighborhood, is the fact that we have all of these different cultures and supplies available readily. market. I was a little while ago, I was having a conversation with somebody I know from work, and he was saying, because he had to come up over here to do a bit of work in the field that he works in, and he said, oh, I was in Ilford and I was the only white guy there and I felt really scared. I said, okay. And then later on in the conversation we were talking about other stuff, because I quickly changed the subject, and he was telling me about his plans for his next holiday. He said, where are you going? And he says, I'm going to India. Okay, so if you don't like being the only white guy and you feel scared and you come to Ilford, into Ilford Lane, just wait until you get to India. What pillock? It's a wedding day? Anyway guys, thanks for coming along on this little hunting trip with me. We got the essential supplies, we are safe from disaster. Let me know what is your favorite brand of pickle, or your favorite flavor if you have one, and if you don't have one, when are you getting treatment for your condition? Alright, thanks very much, catch you later. For now, this is Noob out.